First time ripping the throttle on this modded 690 SMC R. Oh man! Ah! Woo! Uh-oh, my motor cut off. I don't know what happened, bro. Uh-oh.
Let's go for a ride. Subscribe today.
If you want to get links to all my gear, which is awesome, like this CE armor jacket, this flows a ton of air, and my ultra lightweight carbon fiber helmet. It comes with an automatic tint shield, airbag vest to help keep you safe, shorty glove pants. Links to all my gear is in the description and comment section of this video. All right, now to put this bike to the test, the bike is fully modded now.
This is what it looked like bone stock.
It has the Rottweiler intake system, the SAS canister delete. It's got the fuel dongle, power commander 6. And of course, I got the Leo Vince full exhaust on there as well. I've got a lithium battery. I've got, I've done a ton of mods on this bike. If you haven't seen the build play series on this, I'll include the playlist in the top right corner. I put a lot of time and money into this, guys. This is the very first ride on this bike to let you know if there's more power on this bike, if it's worth it to pour the money and time into this bike over stock. First off, I want to show you guys is that one thing I really love about this Rottweiler air intake system is that it provides a bag. I mean, you can add a bag here where the space is, and that carries so much stuff. 3/4 of a gallon. But check this out. I've got a tripod in here. I've got extra cameras, batteries. Look at this, guys. I got a tripod in here. I've got my 360 camera in here. I don't have to carry a backpack anymore. I love it, man. I can't do that with my YZ450FX Supermoto. We're going to see how much more powerful this bike is. All right, let's see what we got. First time ripping the throttle on this modded 690 SMC R. Ready? Oh man! Ah! Oh man! Oh my gosh! You talking about a boost? Oh my gosh! Woo! Oh man, this thing rips! Woo! Oh my gosh! This thing frickin' rips! You guys are right! The performance mods, oh my gosh, let's do it again, come on. Oh my gosh, I'm ready for that wheel. Oh my gosh! This thing is a beast now, guys! An absolute beast! Oh my gosh! Oh my god. This thing rips, man. I've tested, off the line, which is amazing on this bike now. It's much better with the mods. But let's take it out on the highway and see if it's any better on the top end as well. I hope I didn't reduce the reliability on this bike because I pretty much voided the warranty by doing all these mods to it. But you know what? If I have problems with this bike, what I'm going to do is I get it fixed and then I'll sell it. Straight up. That's what I would do. So this is all an experiment for this channel. It's my first time on a KTM. So we'll see what happens, man. I'll like I said, I keep it real with you guys. If I have problems, you're going to know about it, baby. Yeah, this thing got some bump, baby. But let's get out here on the highway and see how this bike performs. And Man, I tell you, the beast has awoken. Oh my gosh. This is a proper bike now, boy. I feel like a boss. Yeah. Yeah, baby. Feels good. Let me get past this trunk. Yeah, this thing cooks. Woo! This thing cooks, boy. I can't get too crazy. I get a ticket out here, boy. Honestly, my YZ 450FX is fun on the highway. Believe it or not, that thing rips, man, on the highway, too. It only tops out at 105. I'm not going to test the top speed on this because there's some cops up here, and I don't want to get a ticket, even though I will tell you this, is that with another great thing about supermotos, at least out here in Northeast Ohio, is that cops have never bothered me. If anything, they've given me compliments on my bike, but I really passed a cop once, guys, seriously, on my YZ, and I thought it was over. I thought I was going to get a felony ticket, be put in jail with the booty warrior, and it was a wrap. You know what I'm saying? My license is, that's it. But he didn't budge. Yeah. This bike is proper, boy. Absolutely proper. I love that. I love the sound of dirt bikes, boy, the singles, man. A lot of you guys just don't know. You know, I get some of the trolls come on channel, Psycho Cruiser, don't nobody care about no supermotos. That's old. That's a 90s thing. Ain't no not. Are you crazy? Do you not see guys out there, dirt bike gangs all over the place? If the only reason they don't put supermoto tires because they don't take the time to do it. They don't know nothing about supermotos. If they did, they'd put some street wheels on there because they'd have less chance of them getting a flat, messing around with knobbies out here on the street. Yeah, baby. Woo! It's proper now, baby. Yeah. I don't need to do sound effects no more, man. I got me a Leo Vince full exhaust, baby. Straight from Italy. Sounding proper. Woo! Thumbs up to the performance mods, dude. Listen to that sound, bro. This is sick. Let's get under the bridge and get some under bridge sound action to get the full effect. Yeah, baby. Acting a fool out here, baby. Sounds good. Woo! That Leo Vince sounding proper, baby. Yeah, I picked the right exhaust, and it looks good on the bike, too. Looks real good. Full exhaust, baby. Yeah, straight from Italy. Sounding proper. This bike, I just feel like a boss out here, man. Like I'm on my Dude, I got the feeling like I'm on my YZ now, man. You know what I'm saying? The only thing my YZ, like I said, feels featherweight. But I feel that sound, that power now. Oh my goodness, baby. Yeah. Uh-oh. I spoke too soon, guys. My motor cut off. I don't know what happened, bro. Uh-oh. I don't know what happened, man. Oh, no, man. I heard a pop. So what happened here? Woo! That scared the crap out of me, boy. It hit a pop and it cut off, man. Oh my gosh. I don't know if I should go head out in the country now. I don't want to get stranded out there. That scared me, guys. I revved the throttle, pop! It cut off. I'm like, what? Oh, please don't let me be stranded out here. Thank you, Lord. Woo! Oh my gosh, I can't be revving bombing this thing, I guess, man. I don't know, bro. It's good though, it's good, we good, it sounds good. Everything seems to be okay. Oh my gosh, this thing is a beast. You gotta do the Rottweiler Performance Mods, guys, and the Power Commander 6. Mandatory. Not mandatory. Stock, like I said, is fun. But I'm telling you, when you do the performance mods, it opens this bike up. I'm not BSing you guys. I am serious. I am not joking, guys. The performance gains on this is much better than when I modded my MT-07. Oh, this is on par almost, I believe, with my YZ450 FX off the line now. Oh my gosh. Woo! Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh man. We out here in the cemetery. As you guys know, I'm a cemetery enthusiast because I come out here, it helps me appreciate life. And because tomorrow's not promised to any of us. That is a beast now, boy. Woo! You guys were right. Look at that beautiful bike. Isn't that gorgeous, man? Oh my gosh, them graphics on there, boy, look better than that popsicle orange. The stock popsicle orange. That look proper now, boy. I had to put the orange accents with these graphics, though, because, you know what I'm saying, the KTM, you got to have some orange up in there, and especially that orange frame looking proper, boy. I think that the mods are tasteful. What do you guys think? Check it out. Look at that LED headlight. That LED headlight look proper, boy. I tell you, to me, it looks as good as the Ducati 698 Monotard or whatever that bike's called. That's an awesome looking bike, and they say it's fun too. But I'm telling you, this is how it should come looking stock. You know what I'm saying? KTM, I hope the new 2025 that's coming out, I hope you guys jazz it up so it looks up to date now, like this bike does. Looking proper, baby. Yeah. So, like I said, really all there is to do on the bike is put some Shinko 705 so I can go have some fun off-road, because I'm not messing around with the street tires, man. You know what I'm saying? So I see some of you guys ride off-road with the street tires, but that rubber carcass is not made for that, man. You'll end up with a flat out there and be stuck like Chuck. I'm telling you, put some Shinko 705 ADV dual sport tires on that bad boy. You can have fun on the street, rip around corners like I do on my YZ, but yet you can go ride out in the woods, beat it up. Them tires are damn near bulletproof. Never had no problems with that, boy. Anyways, guys, make sure you guys hit thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, hit that little bell symbol so you get notified when my new videos release. But I release new videos every Sunday, Tuesday, and Thursday at 11:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Until next video.